Welcome to another edition of Sample Saturday. Thank you so much for stopping by. I have quite a bit. I had to upgrade to a larger bag because I just tried so many different things and some of them are quite large. We're going to start with one of the larger ones. This is from the Body Shop. It is the Body Shop Strawberry Softening Body Polish. And I use this as a body scrub, and I would say it is not a good body scrub whatsoever. It smells delicious. Love the strawberry scent. This is a better body wash. I'm going to try it again. I'm not going to get rid of it or anything. Like, I'm going to use it as a body wash because it did foam up, and I think it would be a better one on a body puff than trying to use it as a scrub, because really the scrubs are going to be those seeds that you can see in there, and there's like some smaller little particles, but it's not a good body scrub by any means. Then we have almond milk and honey body butter from the Body Shop as well. This stuff is amazing. I really love the Body Shop body butters. I think they're really quite nice. They're really smooth and creamy. They're not quite as thick as other ones, which sometimes I really want that thick one. But this one, I really like the scent of it. I was excited that I really did enjoy it, and I'll be sad when that one's gone because I think the next one I'm going to try is Moringa, which is more of a florally scent, and I'm not sure if I'm going to like that one quite as much. I have a shampoo and conditioner from Redken. This is the All Soft shampoo for dry, brittle hair. Don't really have that, but... And then this is the All Soft as well, and it is the conditioner. I did like the size of these. I got about 3 uses out of each one, and they smell pretty nice. Yeah, they're not as good, like they don't smell as good as the blue ones. I've said that before, I know. But I do like these. If these were on sale, I would probably buy them in a full size because I do think they do a really good job of cleansing and conditioning my hair. So I think those are pretty good too. There's been quite a few good things. It's like even the strawberry that I didn't like as body scrub, I still think is good. Rituals, the Ritual of Sakura Sensational Foaming Shower Gel in Organic Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom. This smelled okay. It's not my favorite scent. I like the orange one, whatever that one was. This one was okay. This you only get like 2 or 3 uses out of though, because since it's foaming, you have to use so much of it to like get it all over and to lather. So I don't think they're worth the price. If I get more of them, I'll be excited. If I ever found them on clearance, I would totally buy them because I think that they would be worth it on clearance. But full price, because the full size of this is like $15, no, you wouldn't get enough use out of it, I don't think. All right, next up is a shower gel. Oh, and these are all empty. I've used them completely up, as well as the shower gel. This is Rain Kissed Leaves by Bath & Body Works. I talked about the lotion last week and how much I like the lotion. I like the scent of this. I feel like the lotion smells better than the body wash though. This just doesn't smell quite as good. And this one, I got about 2.5 uses out of it. The one use that I had, I was like, oh, I felt a little sticky because I felt like I didn't get enough to really lather up and use on my buff puff. So I just kind of irritated my skin because there wasn't enough slip and soap, which happens occasionally. But yeah, I do like it. Probably wouldn't buy that scent. I would get it in the lotion, but not in the body wash. All right, a lotion. This is Mon Paris by YSL. This stuff smells so good, and it really, really lingers. If you have close-fitting clothes, you will smell it every time you take off those clothes. My shirts are usually looser, so I didn't smell it so much on my upper body, and this might be TMI, but every time I went to the restroom, I could smell this, like I would have this waft of Mon Paris, and it smelled amazing. And every time I changed my clothes to go to bed, I could still smell Mon Paris, which was quite lovely. I liked that, but yes, it does have a nice lingering. It's not super moisturizing though. I had to, like, my lower legs they're where I get the driest. I had to like reapply lotion on them every day. I couldn't go 2 days like I normally do. So that's something I would layer lotions up, because I never really talk about my shower routine, but I take a shower like every other day. I don't shower every day, so lotion every other day when I shower. Then we have this one from Cake. Naturally Luxe Beauty Milkmaid Totally to Die For Indulgent Body Milk Cream. It is oat milk, candy cream, seriously beautifying. That's all that it says on it. There's lots of words. It's really nice and thick. Like, it is a super thick lotion, and it takes a lot to get it out. It doesn't smell very good though. It's kind of, it doesn't smell bad. I just don't feel like it's a very appealing scent. Maybe if you like the smell of just plain milk, like it kind of smells like that. It's weird. It's not my favorite. I do like how moisturizing it is. Like, it worked really nice layering it with the Mon Prix, but not my favorite. Then we have my Cashmere Mist deodorant from Donna Karen, and I have somehow messed up the packaging, or the packaging isn't very good and it's stuck up. That's why the lid is not all the way down, because it's running into the top, and it smells really good. And this works really well as well. I really do enjoy this deodorant. I would never buy it. It's an antiperspirant. I would never buy it full price though, because a full size of this is like $27. This 1 ounce will last me a good long while though, because I've had one before that. This came in my Macy's advent calendar, but I had one in my Macy's beauty box before, and it lasted me a good long time, which was really nice. Then we have Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream, or creme. I've used up almost all of this because I've been using this as a night cream. So it not only goes on my face, but occasionally down my neck and all my chest and all of that. So I go through lotions, moisturizers quite quickly when I start doing that. It doesn't have a scent, which is good if you don't like scented products. I think it's a nice one. It's not anything super outstanding. I might want something a little bit more emollient and moisturizing at night, but I think it's a good one. I just dropped things. I wouldn't purchase it just because of that, because I think there are better ones out there, but I think it's a decent one. All right, speaking of moisturizers, we have this next one from Kiehls. This is the Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream with micronized calendula petals and calendula flower extract. It's kind of a gel moisturizer. I was looking for something similar in nature to my Moisture Surge, because that's what I like to use in the morning under my makeup, and I was trying to use up some of my samples. This smells really good. It smells kind of citrusy. Maybe that's what the flower smells like. I'm not really sure. Slightly citrus scent to it. I've been enjoying it for the most part, but I noticed yesterday and today when I used it with my IT Cosmetics primer, I got stinging on my face, and I'm not sure if it's just the combination of those two together, or if it's this, or if it's that. I didn't have a problem with it before, so that's a little concerning. I probably wouldn't purchase it again because of that, because I just don't know what's going on with that. Then we have this guy. This is my big fail for the week. This is Space Case Cosmetics. It's not me, it's my sign. It is a blush. I was really excited to use this, and unfortunately, it's like a weird cream, but not really a cream. It didn't want to pick up on a brush, but it didn't want to spread out with a finger. I just didn't like it, and maybe other people who don't use powder, that might have been part of the problem. They might find better use of it, so I'm going to pass it along, see if someone around me wants it, because it just didn't work for me at all. And I wouldn't recommend it unless you like cream hybrid blushes. And then finally, this is my last one. This is from Glow Recipe. This came in my Ipsy. This was I think I did it as an add-on, Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, Makeup Erasing and Deep Cleansing. This smells so good. It just, I don't know if it's so much a blueberry scent. It's a nice scent. I like it. I feel like it works really well. It spreads and it cleans well, but it doesn't leave my skin feeling stripped. So it's like one of those ideal cleansers for me. And it didn't leave me the soapy taste like the Tula did last week. So I really am enjoying this one. I will be sad when it's gone because unfortunately when you have little small cleansers like this, they go pretty quickly. But yeah, this is definitely one that I would put on my list for repurchase. Lots of good repurchases. This one I would definitely repurchase. Definitely repurchase. This one, well, maybe not a lot. Then there's a whole bunch of maybes, you know. There are a lot of decent things, only one true flop. Let me know what you have been using and liking or disliking. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Let me know how your month is going. Are you ready for spring to finally be here? I know I am. I am ready for the warmer weather. I was wishful thinking today with my dressing. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.